Mastering Business Lingo, Idiomatic Expressions in Action. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Advanced Vocabulary series. Today, we are diving into the world of idiomatic expressions, specifically those commonly used in business communication. Our goal? To empower you to sound more natural, fluent, and professional in your business dealings. Before we jump into our role-play scenarios, let's do a quick recap of some of the idiomatic expressions we've discussed in previous sessions. 1. Get the ball rolling, to start a process or project. 2. Touch base, to make contact or update someone. 3. In the same boat, in a similar situation or predicament. 4. Back to square one, to start over after a failure or setback. 5. On the same page, to agree or have a shared understanding. These phrases are just the tip of the iceberg, but they're a good starting point for our practice today. Now, it's time to dive into some role-play scenarios where we'll see these idiomatic expressions in action. Scenario 1. Project Kickoff Meeting. Imagine you're leading a meeting to start a new project. You might say something like, "Let's get the ball rolling with an overview of our project goals." This expression sets a positive, proactive tone for the meeting. Scenario 2. Checking in with a colleague. Next, let's say you're sending an email to a colleague for a quick update. Your message could include, "Just wanted to touch base and see how you're progressing with the budget analysis." Scenario 3. Discussing a shared challenge. Suppose you and a coworker are dealing with the same issue. To express your shared predicament, you might say, "Looks like we're both in the same boat with these scheduling conflicts." Scenario 4. Starting over. If your team encounters a setback and needs to start a project from the beginning, you could say, "Due to unforeseen issues, we're essentially back to square one. But with our learned experience, I'm confident we'll move forward efficiently." Scenario 5. Confirming agreement. Finally, during a meeting, if you want to ensure everyone understands and agrees on a plan, you might ask, "Are we all on the same page about the marketing strategy?" The key to mastering idiomatic expressions is practice. Use these phrases when you speak or write in English, especially in professional contexts. The more you use them, the more naturally they'll come to you. That wraps up our lesson on applying idiomatic expressions in business communication. I hope this has been enlightening, and I look forward to hearing about your success in integrating these expressions into your business lingo. Until next time, keep practicing, and remember, language mastery is a journey, not a destination. Happy learning!